In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover Gmail if you forgot your security question. So recovering a Gmail account. So recovering a Gmail account without security questions requires using the g.call recover. So just head to this site, which is g.call/recover, just like that. And once you've done that, you're going to be on the account recovery page. Simply go ahead and enter your email and then click on next. And you're going to be on this page where you can choose a lot of ways in order to go ahead and sign in. So you don't just need the security questions. You can tap yes on the device your recovery email is signed into. You can also get a verification code at the email. You could also click on try another way to sign in, and you'll still get another way to go ahead and sign in. So you could also enter one of your 8-digit backup codes. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you.